Today we are going to perform confirmatory test for barium and chloride. This is a barium chloride salt. This is inorganic salt in which acidic radical is chloride and basic radical is barium. It is white crystalline solid, heavy density, and let us perform the confirmatory test for the chloride ion first, that is acidic radical. In this we will take a pinch of this barium chloride and then we add concentrated sulfuric acid carefully and heat to boil. By using the test tube holder, there is evolution of colorless gas with pungent smell. Then you smell it. There is a pungent smell in this. It means chloride ions may be present. Then we have to perform the confirmatory test for the chloride ion. For this, we will take a pinch of the inorganic salt and then we add potassium dichromate. This is a chromyl chloride test, confirmatory test for the chloride ions. First we will take a pinch of inorganic salt and then we add potassium dichromate solid, and after that we will add concentrated sulfuric acid and heat it. Here there is formation of yellow color precipitates. These are yellow color precipitates and this confirms the chloride ions in this inorganic salt. And second confirmatory test for chloride ions is silver nitrate test, in which we will take this inorganic salt, a pinch, then we add some water to dissolve it to make the clear solution. It is little bit translucent. Then we add dilute HNO3, that is dilute nitric acid. This is dilute nitric acid. To make the solution clear. And after that we will add silver nitrate. Okay. First of all we will gently heat the solution. And then we add silver nitrate solution. There is a formation of white colored precipitates, appearance of white colored precipitates, and it confirms the chloride ion in this inorganic salt. This is the acidic radical for this salt. Next we will perform wet test for the basic radicals. for basic radicals, that is barium. First of all, we will take a pinch of this inorganic salt and then make a solution. It should be a clear solution. All the pipetties must be dissolved, all the salt must be dissolved. Then we add a solution of ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate. This is a white fluffy salt. Dissolve it properly. And it is a clear solution of ammonium carbonate. Then we add to the original solution. Here is a formation of white color precipitates. It means group fifth ions may be present in this. After that, we will add ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. This is ammonium hydroxide, group reagent for fifth group, and then ammonium chloride. Solution of ammonium chloride. And then heat the solution.